What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to copy captions on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account of Instagram, and then just tap on any caption like this one. So as you can see, if I keep tapped on it, it is currently not copying. So all I need to do is just to take a screenshot of it. Once I take a screenshot, go to the option of editing, and from there just take the text, go to your gallery, open the screenshot with your gallery, and then just take the text, when the text is marked, just copy the selected ones you want, and then just copy, and then here goes your copied caption from your Instagram. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.